Welcome to Garvey Corp. Today we're going to discuss how to break and reconnect RX series chain. The vendors that supply this chain will be either FlexMove or FlexLink. And this chain is a tabletop series chain that side flexes and has a tab. So there's two methods that you'll use. Either one will be a Garvey supplied chain gun that can be purchased through us, or you can use a pin and a hammer. First method I'm going to show you is utilizing the pin. For the pin and hammer method, you're going to want to safely put the chain on its side or lift it so that the pinhole can be accessed. Get your pin in there, give it a couple taps with a hammer, and a push through all the way. That's going to leave the chain broken. One thing you have to keep an eye out for is this little plastic tab, because this can fall out, which of course it's not doing right now. This tab can be easily lost and is absolutely needed to have this chain go back together the way it's intended. If this is not put back in and the pin is relocated inside the chain will be very loose and will have a gap in it. Second method is using the chain gun. For this, you simply place the one side of the tab into the chain gun, engage the pin, and use it like a caulk gun to click through the pin. With this chain gun, you can actually push the pin right out, spin it to retract it, and don't forget your little plastic pin, because this time it actually fell out. Now, to reconnect it, we're going to do the same thing in reverse. First time, I'm going to use the pin and hammer. So you're going to want to set the plastic pin back in. Get your chain open side to tap side, and you're going to want to get your pin and start engaging it. You can give it a slight tap with a hammer to get it started, and then use your pin to push it through the rest of the way. Now, aligning the pin is something that needs to be taken very serious. You do not want the pin favoring one side. You want the pin being evenly set in the middle. If it favors one side, a weird chain tension will form and you might get lift up out of the track. So just really kind of take your time when reconnecting and make sure that it seats in the middle. If you push it back and forth a couple times, you'll feel when it nests right in the middle. I'm going to use the chain gun for the second one. To do this, you could pre-engage it. And this chain gun's really nice. It comes with a little template here. What this template does is allows you to put it over the pin for the tool and then engage the two pins like this. So now I have this chain nice and contained and easy to install. Put the two back together. Push it through, and this tool will actually set your depth. So that's another benefit of this, is you do not have to worry about that alignment that I was talking about if you're using a Garvey chain gun. Thank you for joining us today.